Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a video to Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now, one thing I want to preface this tutorial with is that if you want complete HD video capabilities in Weebly, you are going to need to upgrade to one of their plans. However, currently I'm on the free plan, and I'm going to use that, and I'm going to explain everything in just a bit. Now, as you can see, to my left under the build section, if we go into media, as you'll see, the HD video and audio options have this lightning bolt next to them. That means that this requires an upgrade or a premium plan, and if I try to add HD video, as you'll see, it requires a premium plan, and this is a premium element, so I cannot use HD video on my site. However, if you do have a premium plan, you can just add that element, upload the video to that directly, and that should be it. Same goes with audio and MP3 files. Pretty sure you can upload MP4 files and .wav files for HD video. Not exactly sure. You can test it out. MP4 is 100% supported. I'm pretty sure of that. But yeah, other things you can do. You can add a flash sort of element, and you might be able to put in an animation there. However, as you can see, Flash Player is no longer supported, but I'm pretty sure you could do something with Ruffle, which I'm pretty sure is the community-made replacement for Flash and playing Flash files on the internet. But yeah, you can do that. You can also add a file and just upload a video file on your website, which people can download. However, then your video won't be able to be played on your website, but you can also add the YouTube element, and as you can see, once I add that, it'll just say that this video is unavailable and that it's private. However, you just need to click on it, add the URL to the YouTube video you want, and that should be pretty much it. Now you can change the positioning of it, alignment, spacing, and other advanced options. But yeah, pretty much this is a workaround. I'm not sure about the quality. You can set it to HD if you want to. Not sure what the quality is going to be like. Pretty sure it's not going to be as good quality as the HD video. However, it might be. So yeah, an alternative to the HD video, you can just open up a YouTube channel, upload your videos there, share your URLs over here, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.